Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Wednesday, June the 27th, 2018. And today, in our Tech News Update, we have Facebook that is actually kind of backing off from something that they actually wanted to remove. They were actually, banning cryptocurrency ads from the social media website. Well, now they're actually going to accept cryptocurrency ads again from pre-approved advertisers. So it seems that, money is money. Qualcomm says that its new chipsets, the 429, 439, and 632, offer 40% more performance in the real world, and that basically it is really a improvement over the past chipsets. Of course, the problem with these tests are that this is, a benchmark made by Qualcomm. It's always better to have benchmarks that are made by third-party companies that have nothing to do with you, but, probably there are some improvements, of course, with newer technology. Google search is about to be redesigned, so especially in the image search. So basically, some of you might actually already see it. Google is testing a redesigned image search for some users on the desktop. So this is not everybody, it's really just a selected number of people that are right now in there. But if it all works well, it would slowly come up to all users at some point. And it's more in line with their modern design, and also it kind of resembles Pinterest image search. It's kind of interesting to see that. Microsoft is using artificial intelligence and in a way to actually improve facial recognition, especially helping with the different aspects of skin tones, which apparently renders some of the facial recognition a little more difficult. So with using AI, they're able to actually mix the skin tones, gender, and general recognition improvements with facial recognition and facial size and features. So apparently they're actually moving way ahead with that type of recognition. And basically, security researcher is saying that the Windows 10 settings panel is a security threat. The reason is that the new way for settings uses XML language and a file, because that's how it makes it better in Windows 10 and easier to change and to do what they want. But the problem is, bad code can easily transform these XML language and transform these into malware, basically. So it's going to be interesting to see if we get a fix for this in the patch Tuesday, but apparently it's a real problem. A case where somebody got spied on with their laptop webcam, that is a work laptop, has once again kind of spurred the debate of PC makers should have covers for webcams. It should be on all webcams. You should be able to actually switch it on or off so that they can't spy on you if they want to. Facebook had this really cool and complex internet delivery drone that they were thinking that they wanted to have. Well, it is interesting to see that they actually abandoned the project. Apparently, it is something that is too complex, and that they just simply decided that they would not do this. And they say that there's a lot of companies with skill for space flights in space travel that might actually have better ways of doing this. Interesting research is saying that it's increasingly difficult to distinguish between human and actually chatbots, and that 8% of mobile devices around the world actually launch chatbots, and it's making it more and more difficult to really see the difference of what is a chatbot. And with artificial intelligence, these chatbots look more and more and actually appeal more and more to users as if they were human. So this is going to be an interesting future, because as these things get more powerful, they will act much more like humans. We will have this gray line where we might actually not even know that we're talking to a bot. So, of course, Samsung always trying to stay ahead in the display. We, of course, have OLED TVs and trying to get bigger screens of OLED TVs. Well, now it seems that Samsung is working on the next advancements in digital pictures. It's called quantum dots. We talked about it a little bit, but now Samsung is actually going full ahead on the quantum dots, apparently. Billions of colors, crisper pictures, better images, and better TVs. And, well, this is the wrong picture. This is a good picture. The Bixby Assistant has always struggled, and basically Samsung wanted to try to boost it by giving you points for using it. Well, they're now retiring the points program, being discontinued. So what's next, and how can this assistant ever be interesting and used by people? And this was the Tech News Update for Wednesday, June the 27th, 2018. And while I was doing this news bulletin, there's actually been an announcement of a new build, 17704. So we'll talk about that also again today. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.